In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and traffic room and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location and inspired by attachments and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by players to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 7.6, which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. All guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. From the hotel is fine. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. And the room facilities online. You can book them online and reserve your stay. If you are planning to visit, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking and more details, check link in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem when booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then you must subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again.